All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing fantastic. Check it out. Quick, easy video, kind of like a reminder to some of you guys, because as you guys been following me here in the channel for a long time, you guys know that I've been through many hurricanes and I got kind of good preparation by now. But however, I need to prepare more. The season is coming and I need to recheck my water, recheck batteries, recheck things like that. And I saw a tweet that came from the Flagger EOC, which is, the Emergency Operations Center. So I want to share a couple things with you guys. Definitely do me a favor. Share things down in the comment section below that you think is beneficial, like candles, batteries, flashlights, and things like that. If you have a specific way how you prepare for this, it doesn't have to be hurricanes. It could be like tornadoes or something. Any emergency disaster, put comments down there. Obviously, there's Amazon links down there. So if you're going to buy anything, hey, I'm going to say use my link. I'll use my link, and the channel makes a little bit of money from that. But again, you know what? I like the Emergency Operations Center. I really do. And one thing that I would tell you, that if you don't know yours, figure it out. Because one thing that I found out years ago was that you could call them up and be like, hey, look, this is what's happening. I live here. This is my address. And they could give you information. Different areas around the city may evacuate and things like that. May be different issues. So again, having the EOC phone number to me is critical. Again, the post of this, the official start of the hurricane season will be here in a week. Flagger officials are urging residents to prepare early by shopping, locally and taking advantage of oncoming. Obviously, it was a sales tax. But the thing about this is that people don't do this. The time come and you're going to flip out. People are fighting each other. People are shooting each other over gas, things like that. Don't do that. Do it right now. All right. Do it right now. Last hurricane, people were flipping out about water. Guess what? I had so much water. I didn't screw anybody over. I got it quite several weeks before. And no big deal, right? And then maybe me, some of you guys may be different because some of you guys don't have that many kids, but I got 3 kids. Those water would disappear in a couple weeks right after, right? So again, I'm just going to share this real quick. And I'm going to say a couple things that they're posting here. You know what? Reusable ice, candle, flashlight. Let's see. Double A cells, triple A, C cells. Depends what kind of flashlights you use and things like that. Whatever system you have. I have a lot of power banks. Are amazing. Power banks, because you need to have essentially you need to be able to communicate. There we go. That's what I was trying to say. Communicate with the outside so you get information, right? So for me, power banks are big. Radios, check it out, guys. No internet, things like that. Last time I actually had a little radio and I was listening to the information over the little radio. I mean, a little thing like this with antenna, right? So radio, two-way radios, I like those because you know what? You could talk with your kids and things like that. Obviously, you're inside the house, but I had to go outside after the storm to get a couple things. So it's always nice to be able to talk when you're on the side of the house or something like that, right? Something could come out of that could be beneficial. Coolers with ice, if you could prepare things like that. Power bank, look, it's right there. Food, things that could get you for a few days, maybe a couple weeks, right? Bungee cord. Let's see what else I have here. Ratchet straps, tie down. Portable generator. I got a generator. I got to start it out. Make sure it works. So make sure you test your equipment. And for the love of God, I'm going to say this because every year it happens. Don't turn your generator inside your house. You know that it's going to kill you and kill your family. Don't do that. It happens every year. All that. Also, a little AC unit. That'll be nice. Connected to the generator. You have AC. I know that we could do it. I know that it's kind of like something really nice. But check it out. Part of preparedness is to prepare yourself so when the emergency happens, you could continue with your life and you continue to have some of the things that you like, right? So nothing wrong with preparing yourself in that kind of way, in my opinion, right? So again, water, canned food, including vegetable, fruits, first aid, prescription. If you have prescriptions and things like that, make sure you have that. Baby food, right? Baby food for your baby. Don't leave your baby hungry. And obviously, things that ladies need and things like that. Check it out. Here's the thing. When it happens, I've seen this emergencies. When it happens, you may not be able to walk away. You may not be able to come out. You may be stuck home. And I remember several times where they have said, that's it. We ain't coming to help you. hurricanes passing through, you are on your own. So you want to make sure you don't play, you don't gamble with your life, don't gamble with your family's life. Have the things that you need in order to survive. Check it out. If you've been through all this kind of emergency, please put comments down below and let me know what you think. I appreciate you guys watching, and as always, God is in control.